and at
National Weather Service in Columbia has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for South Central Lexington County in central South Carolina, Northeastern Aiken County in central South Carolina, Northwestern Orangeburg County in central South Carolina, until 6:15 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time. At 5:32 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time, a severe thunderstorm was located 12 miles southwest of Gaston, or 18 miles south of Red Bank, moving south at 5 miles per hour. The following hazards are expected: 60 miles per hour wind gusts and penny-size hail. Source: radar indicated. The following impacts are expected. Expect damage to trees and power lines. Locations impacted include Swansea, Wagoner, North, Pelion, Springfield, Sally, Perry, Woodford, Perry Airport, Thor and Lexington County Airport at Pelion.